In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix encoding errors in Microsoft Word using the open and repair method. Encoding issues usually happen when a document contains unreadable or strange characters, often appearing as symbols, question marks, or boxes. This typically occurs when a file is opened incorrectly or has minor corruption. Fortunately, Microsoft Word has a built-in feature that can help fix these issues quickly and restore your document to readable text. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Instead of opening your document the usual way, go to the File tab and click on Open. From there, browse your computer and locate the file that is showing encoding problems. Once you find it, click on the file once to highlight it, but do not open it yet. Next, look at the Open button at the bottom of the window. You'll notice there is a small drop-down arrow beside it. Click that arrow to reveal additional options. From the list, select Open and Repair. This tells Microsoft Word to scan the file for issues and attempt to fix them before fully opening the document. After selecting Open and Repair, Word will process the file and try to correct any encoding or formatting errors. This may take a few seconds depending on the size and condition of the document. Once the process is complete, the file will open automatically. In many cases, the unreadable characters will be replaced with the correct text, making your document usable again. If the document opens successfully, take a moment to review the content carefully. While the Open and Repair feature is effective, it's still important to check for any remaining issues, such as missing text or formatting changes. If everything looks correct, make sure to save the document immediately to preserve the repaired version. This method is one of the simplest and most reliable ways to fix encoding-related problems without needing advanced settings or additional tools. It's especially helpful when dealing with files received from other sources or documents that may have become slightly corrupted over time. And that's it. You now know how to fix encoding errors in Microsoft Word using the Open and Repair method. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try it out yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.